Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena Assam ki Maligaon da laiba Northern Frontier Railways ki Chief Administrator Hitendra Goyal Gangarang ma ki Banglo da unakre. Unaba aduda Manipur da rail lambi amadi masigi infrastructure sing ningthina fagat hannaba honabada wa khanaki hairi. Tangkhul Ajik Katam Naulong Haibadi Southern Tangkhul Student Union Amadi Jingso Katam Naulong Haibadi Eastern Tangkhul Student Union Anina Haujik Center Amadi State Anina Kamjom District ki Manung Indo-Myanmar Border Fencing Tawagi Thabak Paikat Naba Lauri Babare Asida Yaning Daba Fongdorali Student Union ki Lup Ani Asigi Maike Dagi Border Pillar number 6 Amadi 124 Manakta Border Fencing Taunab Honariba Thawong Asibu Yaning Daba Ulagli Maramasina Kudakta Border Fencing Tawagi Thabak Handokadabani Haina Southern Tangkhul Student Union ki President Yarchuicho Kasungna Khangalagli Nakalamaramda Naga People's Front NPF Nasu Nagana Tarima Mafam Singh Sokna India Amadi Myanmar Anigi Marakta Border Fencing Tauna Honariba Khongthang Asibu Akan Mamauda Yaning the Fongdorali NPF na Hairi Madudi Ngamkai Sambal Khadringaida Mayorol Dagi Lairakiba Chabang Ngamkai Paring Khangdo Laga Thabak Paket Kadabani Adu Natana Hekta Ngamkai Sambal Kajin Bayaroi Khage Harabasu Buwari Dagi Leraglaba Traditional boundary masak hana khangdok kadabani loinana mari lainaba singasu hana pau phaudong larangadabani hairi Manipur amadi Myanmar ga tainaba ngamkhai gi sarukta KNFB ni chingnaba sing amadi Myanmar gi lalolup ama oiriba PDF ki apunba khutpu amaga ngarang Myanmar da lairiba lalolup singi apunba kangbu amaga khut thoknaba gi thodokta lona thinkraba lalolup PL gi mioi ama amadi Pripak Pro gi mioi ani laikidre hairi atoba mioi amana Myanmar gi lalolup singa fadana pukibadagi Mafam Kangdana Lady Ngarang Ukrul Amadi Myanmar Rigi Tainaba Lalim Haina Kangnaba Mafam Amada Awang Nompo State Singi Laloba Kara Lady Haibadagi Mafam Adudagi Myanmar Gilalolup Singh KNFB Amadi PDF ki Apun Bakangbu Amana Sansilatuna Etek Chatharaki Maike Anigi Marakta Punkaya Kut Thona Rabamatung PDF ki Laloba Anisu Sikhi Bagaloinana PLA amadi Pripak Pro gi mioi ani seki hairi ngarangi khut thongna bada asina nangkraba mioi sing adugi manungda Captain Gulu amadi Boni Sana kauba mioi ani yawi haina thajanari adumoinamak thodok aduda misi mina kaya yamna yaukhibagi haibigi chap chana khangba ngamdri Meghalaya ki Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangmana Luchingduna ngarang North Garo Hills taliba Resul Bel Parada Meghalaya Cabinet Mifam Pangthokre ngarangi Cabinet Mifam aduda Meghalaya Private Institution Regulation of Admission Fixation of Fees and Reservation Ordinance 2024 amadi Meghalaya Medical College Regulation and Admissions into MBBS course 2024 pass tauki Cabinet na Ordinance amasu pass tauki bagaloinena Regulatory Board ki mifam amukhana phamna basu yanaki pass tawkraba ordinance asi Meghalaya ki governor na ayaba pirakpa ngaikigani makhatana USTM haibadi PA Sangma Medical College su athuba matamda hangdokpa hauragani masigi matakta cabinet mifam aduna government lower primary upper primary natraga secondary amadi higher secondary school da Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA gi makhada oja oiba yabagi chahi sangdokpadasu ayaba piki masigi matungina machagi chahi nimfuga manga fawbada laiba mioi amana SSA gi oja oiba yagani loinana Meghalaya government logadaba oja gi recruitment exam singda saru yagadabani hairi
under sponsored seats of the government of Meghalaya as of today have to sign a form indicating that as and when the student passes the examination and qualifies for performing as a doctor, as and when the interviews are called, we will be conditioned to giving them a job and offering them a job. But having said that, this bond is in operation until such time that government decides to withdraw the bond. We must have seen in other sectors of education, we still have government-sponsored seats. Engineering still has seats, then you have BDS still has seats, and we hope that agriculture also still has seats, and we hope that we will be able to maintain the promise to give them a job if they come back to the state. But the bonds of these additional costs that you must have noticed are no longer there. But government continues to sponsor candidates.